Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how a lender will be notified if an appraisal order is on hold. So currently, I am logged in as a user Neil, who is a lender, and we are currently on the appraisal orders list page. So first of all, I need to create a new appraisal order by clicking on this button. I have created an appraisal order and it is created successfully. As you can see, right now I can cancel an appraisal order from a lender's perspective. So as you can see, it is submitted. Okay, now as it was accepted by this operational admin of the A2Z AMC and even the payment has been completed, now operational admin can put the appraisal order on hold. It could be after the assignment of the appraiser, or it could be before, or any case where an appraisal order is on hold. Now we have received a notification an appraisal order has been, we have received that an appraisal order is on hold and appraisers are not acting on this appraisal project. So basically this appraisal order is on hold. So you can see the status, it is on hold and AMC is paid. So we have some scenario in which an appraisal order can be put on hold by the operational admin of the A2Z AMC system. So basically on the back of the system, the thing is happening that either it could be a case where the appraiser is not agreeing on this appraisal project, so they can reassign an appraiser. So it could be that case. The second case could be that they can withdraw an appraisal order. If anyhow the project is on the appraiser doesn't want anything from the appraisers or the operational admins, and they feel that this appraisal order is not, like, they cannot do it or something, whatever the valid reason is, so they can withdraw an appraisal order. And the last case is that they can simply resume whenever whatever the problem was and it is resolved, so they can resume the appraisal order. So if it's a withdrawal case, so the refund will be refund to that specific user. So if it's that case, so there will be a refund amount will be sent to them and it will be stated that they have been withdrawn, and like similarly on this, that it is paid manually, that it would be withdrawn and it is manually, it was refunded and recorded by the admin. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.